Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 6th of July 2022 and the topic for the today's video is one-to-many database mapping in Spring JPA. So this is my first or original video in this particular topic. So we were already discussed about the many-to-one database mapping in earlier video, and in this video we will see one of the type of mapping from the four, that is one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one and many-to-many. So we will see one-to-many database mapping in this video. So in system analysis, a one-to-many relationship is a type of cardinality which refers to the relationship between the two entities. Suppose that A and B, in which an element of A may be linked to many elements of B, but a member of B is linked to only one element of A. Let us, for instance, think of A as a book and B as a pages. So a book can have many pages, but a page can only be in one book. So in a relational database, one-to-many relationship exists when one row in table A may be linked with many rows in the table B, but one row in the table B is linked to only one row in table A. So we can say that it is important to know that suppose a one-to-many relationship is not a property of the data but rather of the relationship itself. So let us take one example that about the one-to-many relationship. So consider a relationship between a teacher and the courses they teach. Suppose a teacher can teach multiple classes, but the course would not have the same relationship with the teacher. Therefore, for each record in teacher's table, there could be many records in the courses table. So this example illustrates a one-to-many relationship to one teacher to multiple courses. Now, we will see one more example that at one-to-many relationship mapping. That is, in this example, we will create a one-to-many relationship between a student and a library. So there is a student table and a library table. Suppose in such a way that one student can be issued more than one type of book from the library. So this example contains some of the following steps. Suppose the first step is that we create an entity class student.java under the com.our package that which contains the student ID, student name and student roll number. We add one-to-many annotation that contains the library class object of a list type. Then we create another entity class under the package that contains a book ID, book name and book name. Okay, now we map the entity class and the other databases configuration in persistent.xml file. So we create a persistence class one-to-many at one-to-many under the package to persist the entity object with data. So after the execution of the program, we will get the three tables under the MySQL workbench. So the first is student table. This table contains the student details, and to fetch the data, we run the query that is select star from student query in MySQL. So library table. This table contains the library book detail, and so to fetch the data, we run the query that is select star from library query in MySQL. And the student library table, in this the table represents the mapping between the student and the library table, and to fetch the data we run the query that is select star from student and library query in MySQL. So this is all about the one-to-many relational database mapping in Spring JPA. Thank you.